The following special program is a paid advertisement for
JB Prince.
Hey everybody, this is me, Tim Music, the CEO here at JB Prince. Welcome back to another edition of
Doughnut.
JB Prince. I want to thank you all for tuning in and being such awesome and gracious viewers.
JB Prince, world's finest chef tools and equipment.
Time to make the donuts.
Remember when you had to go to Krispy Kreme to get your donuts? Call now. 1-800-DOUGHNUT. Over 100 recipes. 550 grams of bread flour, 3 egg yolks, 100 grams of sugar, 240 milliliters of water, 7 grams of yeast, 2.5 grams of baking powder, 3 grams of mace, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla.
Time to make the donuts.
Everybody loves donuts. Lord knows I do. Everybody loves donuts.
First, you measure out all of your ingredients.
Time to make the donuts.
Now let's make the batter. Add the wet ingredients into a mixer. Slowly and carefully add the dry stuff. It's time to knead the dough. Knead sticky.
Right here. Smell that hickory?
Proof the donut.
Time to make the donuts.
Proof the donuts again for 30 minutes. Cut out donuts. Cut circles out of circle. Proof the donuts again for 30 minutes until double in size. Heat a large pot with high sides and heavy bottom with oil and shortening to 350 degrees. Fry the donuts. Now carefully fry the donuts for about a minute until golden brown and delicious. Glazed donuts. Glaze the donuts. Glazed donuts.
Time to make the donuts. I make the donuts.
Call now.